Okay, on this problem it says Kate and Pat want to have both a male and a female child. If they decide to continue to have children until they have one of each gender, what would the average number of children be? Assume that boys and girls are equally likely. Let the digits 0 to 4 represent a male child and the digits 5 to 9 represent a female child. 20 trials were randomly generated. Use each of the numbers as a separate trial. So the first thing you should do is go ahead and copy the table to the clipboard. So I just clicked on the little icon there for copy, and then I'm going to come over to Excel, and I'll just kind of put it in cell A2, and I'll paste it. So I'll just click the paste there, and then here I'm going to say at the top, just to kind of keep me straight, this is the trial, and this is the outcome, and then and what is our random variable here? Where our random variable is what is the average number of children. So let's count how many children they have. And so really you can you don't even have to do the outcome. You can go ahead and just count the digits, but I'll kind of say a 7, a 5, and a 0 is a boy, and then a girl. So there were 3 children in that family. A 7 and a 1, I'm sorry, this is a 5 to 9 represents a female child. So this is a girl, and then a 0 is a boy. Anyway, there's still 3 children. A 7 and a 1, a 7 is a female child, because remember 5 to 9 is female, and a 1 is a male. So that's going to be a girl and then a boy. So that's 2 children in the family. And again, we can do here a 7 and a 3 is a girl and then a boy. And so I don't need to go through and say what each of these are. A 4 and a 6 is a boy and then a girl. But there's 2 children in the family. 2, 1, 1, 6 means they had 3 boys and then a girl. So that was 4 children in the family. Here's 2 children in the family. A 6 and a 3 is 2 children in the family. 5, 8, 0 is 3 children in the family. 5, 0 is 2. 3, 2, 9 is 3 children in the family. 6, 6, 5, 8, 1. So the 6, those are females. So they had 4 girls and finally a boy. So that was 5 children in the family. Here's 2 children in the family. Here's 3 children in the family. Here's 2 children in the family. Here's 5 again, all girls, and then a boy at the end. Here's 2 children. Here's 3 children. Here's 2 children, 2 children, and then 4, 2, 3, 3. That's all boys, and then finally they get their girl. So that's 5 children in the family. Okay, so this is the number of children that we have for 20 trials. So if we add up the total number of children and divide by 20, we will get the average number of children. Okay, so I'm going to do an equal sign, and then I'm going to type sum, and I'm going to have it add up these numbers, all of these family sizes, and I'll close that parenthesis, and then I'll divide that by 20, and that will tell me the average number of children. So look up here in the formula bar, I did equals sum divided by 20, and then I hit enter, so it's 2.8 children. So if I come right here and I type in 2.8, and then check my answer, it should be correct. Okay.